Welcome to Introduction to Computer Application 5091, Lecture 7 in the series Pictures and Text Boxes. Today, our aim is to insert, wrap, format pictures and text boxes and to apply and change borders to these pictures and text boxes. So let's get started with our outline. First, we will create a sample document. So here's a blank document. I have saved it as sample.docx. I will create few headings. Format them as heading 1. Insert random text under the headings. And there you go. Here's my sample document, which is 4 pages long, have 3 headings: title heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. So let's insert pictures from local hard drives now. Go to the Insert tab, select the Pictures button under the Illustration heading. Browse to the location where you have your pictures saved on your local hard drive. I have mine saved in today's lectures folder. I'll select any of the pictures from here. Click Insert. The picture will be inserted where your cursor was automatically. By default, when you insert a picture, it behaves as a text. To insert pictures from the web, again go to the Insert tab. Under the Illustrations heading, select Online Pictures. You will automatically be directed to Bing image search. Type in the keyword for the picture that you want in your document. I have typed in mosque, so I have been displayed different images of mosques from all around the world. Select the picture or pictures that you want to insert and click the Insert button. Again, by default, the picture will behave as a text. Let's see what do I mean when I say picture as text or in line with the text. By default, when you insert a picture in Microsoft Word, it behaves as though it's part of a text. So it occupies the whole line, and you can insert text after the picture like a normal Word do, and more or less it behaves as though as if you increase the font size of one of the letter or one of the word, and the way this letter will behave, the picture will behave the same way. So similarly, as you cannot add more text after this letter R, you cannot insert more text after this picture in this blank space, since right now this picture is behaving as a part of a text. So if you click before the picture, and if you pay close attention, you will notice that there is a cursor here which is blinking, and pressing the space key or typing something here will behave as though that this picture is a text and you are inserting some text before the picture. And now if you highlight this line, the picture will be highlighted with it, and you can apply text highlight color with it or apply shading to the paragraph. And all the formatting that is applied to the text will be applied to the picture. For example, if I change the paragraphing formatting and make it centralized, since now I have pressed enter, this will behave as a separate paragraph, this whole picture, and I can move the picture using the paragraph alignment tools options available. I can indent this paragraph or the text. I can even put bullets and numbering to this picture. If you press enter here, you will have auto numbering available with the picture. So the point is, this picture or any picture that you add by default will behave as though it is a part of the text, and it will be in line. You won't be freely able to move the picture or add text in the blank space available here. Having pictures behave as text does not always work. Sometimes when we are short of space, paper space, we will want our text to wrap the pictures differently. Word has a lot of text wrapping options. You just need to click the picture and select the layout options button that automatically appears, and select any of the text wrapping options available. Let's start with the simple square text wrapping. When you click the select the wrapping option, you will notice the text has now surrounded the image, and you have more freedom in moving the object, that is the picture. Other wrapping options include a tight wrap, a through wrap, top and bottom wrap. There are subtle differences between each of these text wrapping options available, and you will get to know them when you make more use of them. You will notice that there's another option at the bottom, which is move with text and fix position on page. This is especially useful when you insert diagrams and refer to them with statements like see the image below, or in the following image you can see. So if you have some statements like these, you will always want the picture to follow the text, and this is the case that will happen. So when I select the picture and select the option move with text, the picture will move with the paragraph preceding it. So this picture will always behave as though it's linked with this paragraph. But if I change the option and select fixed position on page, and now I press the enter key, you will notice the picture remains fixed on the page and the paragraph moves down, and the picture does not move along with it. You can always click the see more button and have more advanced wrapping options available to you. Another way to change text wrapping is to click the picture, go to the format tab that automatically appears, and select one of the many options available under the arrange heading. And again, you can always click more layout options for advanced wrapping options. We will now see how to insert a simple text box. It is as easy as ABC. Go to the Insert tab. In the text option, you will see a button, text box. Click it. And select one of the many text box options available to you. I will go ahead and select the simple text box. The text box has the same wrapping options as the picture, and you can select any of the following. You need to click the center of the text box and type in your text. For our example, I will type in hello. You can format this text as you will using the home tab and font options, and you can also apply paragraphing or editing to it. Let's see how to apply borders to a text box and images. The simple text box comes with a default single line black border. Click the text box, go to the Format tab, either select one of the options available here to change the border style, or you can click the Shape Outline button and change the size, the color, the pattern. And you even have more color options available, and you can even select no outline option. In that case, there will be no border for your text box. With the pictures, Microsoft Office has taken the liberty to provide you with some pre-installed styles which have some borders applied to the pictures and some 3D effects and shadow effects with it, which gives it a nice look to your picture. Even then, you have option to change the picture border as you wish. Right here in the format tab under the picture styles with the picture border option available to you. The last topic on the agenda is changing text style. Go to the text box, select your text, go to the format tab. Under the word art style, you will have many predefined styles which you can apply to your text. Let me increase the font size for this. And you can always apply text effect options to it. You can add nice little reflection. You can transform the alignment of your text. And do a lot more stuff here. So these options for word art style replaces the conventional word art which was available in previous versions of Microsoft Office like 2007 and prior. This brings us to the end of today's lecture, and in conclusion, today we have learned how to insert text boxes and how to insert images. We have seen some of the predefined styles available to format our pictures, and you can always achieve these styles manually, and that can be a good exercise for you to do. So what you can do is select the text box and try using the option available to you and achieving the same effect. That is given here, and you can what we have not discussed in the lecture is the shape effects options, in which we have borders, some reflection to the image or to the object itself. So go ahead and try to achieve the same effects which are available for the images. And if you click the the little square arrow button in the shape and styles option here, another pane will open with the heading format shape, and you can always use this pane to achieve advanced options available to you. For example, creating your custom 3D formats or creating your custom shadows which are not available to you otherwise.